Well, hi guys. Welcome back to Echo Travel Adventures. We are super excited for you guys. And we really do hope 2021 is doing well for you and your family as it is for us. We are a month and a half in to...
Hopefully you're staying safe and healthy.
Yeah, for sure. But we are in our YouTube room. And that usually means Tokyo Kawaii.
For now it means that.
I know. But guys, we are super thrilled to get this. In case you are not aware, this is our 10th or 11th video.
I think more than that. Because we got some when we didn't YouTube
this is for our YouTube.
Yeah.
Our 10th or 11th. We are really super thrilled. We have one more, and then we're going to take a break for a while because we have plenty. You can't never have plenty of
We
Disney
have a
stuff.
lot.
We have a lot
of
stuff.
things from Tokyo Kawaii Club. It's a subscription membership based. You get them monthly. You can keep renewing it, or you can do it once. For us, we pay about $60, but that's with expedited shipping. You get 3 to 5, maybe 6 things, depending on what it is. Michael does customize it.
And he will email you 3 or 4 times, as many as it takes to know exactly what you want and
or what you like. And he'll try his best, of course, to get you what is on that list. There's also called FOMO products.
Yes, and that's kind of like an a la carte thing. So if you want a Chip and Dale, you can just go there and buy it directly.
If it's there.
If it's there.
There's a lot of things that are updated more.
And we'll link everything down below. He has Facebook, he has Instagram, he has Twitch, you said now. He has a whole bunch of other things. So definitely check it out.
And if you decide to do it, try it out for a month. Do it like a Christmas, not a Christmas, do it like a birthday gift, Valentine's, anniversary. If you can't think of anything else, let Michael know that Echo Travel Adventures sent you. We don't get any kickbacks. We always say that because we don't.
Absolutely.
We like giving him exposure.
And business and all that kind of stuff.
I mean, who wouldn't want all this cute stuff?
I know.
That's why it's called Tokyo Kawaii.
And Kawaii, in case you didn't know, is Japanese for cute.
So we say that a lot in our videos.
Yes.
We don't mean to. We say it in English and Japanese.
Yeah. Because we are super thrilled. Super thrilled.
We get really excited when we see that it's in the mail.
We do. And for us during quarantine, this did help kind of buy some time for us. So it is a big part, but because we got a lot of other things going on in our life right now, we are going to take a pause next month, and then we'll probably pick it back up.
We are taking a break about 3, maybe 4 months from it.
Our anniversary. Hey.
It is in time for our anniversary. It's the month of. That's why I started it back up.
So, Michael, July when we resume. I know you watch. Because you know we know you watch because you send stuff that matches.
Or does he? Or do you send him our link? Oh, that'd be cool if you guys can send him our link and say, hey, we watched you on here.
But I cheated last time. I did 2 videos back to back, and so this time it is Amber's turn.
Let's start it.
And
oh, look.
If you are a familiar face,
did you know that?
No. We always forget scissors, so this time we actually brought scissors.
Opens up.
Oh, and before you start, cheater, she's already peeking. We are using a 2-camera system again.
Yeah.
We got a lot of comments saying that you guys really like that, so we'll continue. So please, if you have any other feedback, just please definitely let us know.
Or leave us a comment of what you liked. I mean, we take that into consideration. Maybe it'll be for another giveaway. Who knows? But definitely leave comments. Talk with your fan bam on there. Not just on this video, but we love seeing those comments and the discussion that keeps going on. We just love it.
Definitely.
It's in a bag. I'll do it here so you guys can see the bag better. Alright.
It's a pillow.
It's a little pillow. So that side is Mickey, and then the other side
is Minnie.
That's so cute.
I can so see Echo.
That's probably Echo's. Look you can see the little mouse ears right there.
So if you looked at our video before in that we did here at Magic Kingdom, it's the designs and the colors match what's here for 2021.
It does.
And Tokyo Disney doesn't do a lot of years on their stuff. And for whatever reason, I'm not sure why. If you know, please comment down below. But they really don't put a lot of years on their merchandise. But it does match what we have here as far as the colors. So we'll put this aside.
This is what we got today. Can you see it?
Yeah.
There we go. Look at how cute. There's a little bum. This is Chip.
And
now we have another set.
to go along with your kites.
Can you tell I love Chip and Dale? Oh, that's so cute. They have a little blush and they're winking.
I know. So are they? They're not sushi roll. Cause they have a fan. This is so interesting.
Maybe it's just them as not a geisha, but like in a kimono, just a kimono outfit, maybe.
Maybe.
If you know the different ones, please let us know in the comments.
What's so cool is we have Mickey and Minnie and Chip and Dale.
They're cute.
That's so cool. We have like a little Japanese village of Disney friends. Sorry. I overthought that. Are those nerds?
I don't know what these are.
And look, they match.
Come on. Okay. We don't know what these are, but it's a small little box. It is a little charm.
Oh, it's Mickey.
It's heavy too. It's Mickey in his kimono. Feel it.
Oh, wow.
It's heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You could probably use it as a keychain.
Oh, look. There's a little koi or something. Is that a fan? Oh, it is a fan.
Yeah, it's the same thing as this one, right? No, that's different.
But look, it has koi on the fan.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see. But here's the fan.
Oh, yeah, you can. Oh, no. I'll get it.
And then what looks to be like koi.
That's cool.
That's
cool. Neat. Another little box.
Oh, joy. He's being very secretive this time. Guys,
I needed one of these. It's for your rings in your bathroom. That's what I'm gonna use it for. Look at how cute.
oh my goodness. And actually, the funny thing is, you were kind of looking for a new one.
Yeah, I was looking for a new one, and I was like, we went to the outlets. That is cute. I like the color.
I know, it's cool.
It stands out. That is really cool, and it matches the pillow. Oh yay!
More chopsticks that we don't know how to use.
They're the mini ones. Oh no.
Guys, we have yet to learn how to use chopsticks. We've watched many YouTube videos, and we really do not know how to use chopsticks.
But that's okay. I have two.
So when we go to Japan, I still have some Okinawan friends that live over there. I'll be making sure that they help us out. Wow.
Wow.
This is like our fourth set of chopsticks.
Third. Isn't it our third?
I think it's the second. No, you got Chip and Dale one too.
Yeah. There we go.
We got a few.
Let's see. Oh no.
Yeah, it's hard. The cameras are having a hard time focusing on it. I think it's because You can see through it. But it's really cool. So you have mini bows and polka dots. And make Minnie's face. I don't know. Did you see that?
Did you get his... Oh, no.
Did you see Minnie's face? Oh.
And then we got a little... Because it's their 10th anniversary.
Ooh, the Disney store in Japan. Keep in mind, they do not ship to the United States. And then it's their 10th anniversary for being over there in Japan. Oh, look at the little bears. They even have 10 years on it.
Oh, that's cute. So it's kind of like Valentine's in a way.
Yeah. It's cool.
Happy New Year, Michael.
Aw, thanks, Michael.
There's still... Ooh!
Michael, Happy New Year to you too. And every box that he sends has a thank you letter or a
personalized note.
Yeah. And he said Happy New Year. Michael, if you're watching,
You moved
Happy
it.
New Year. Oops. We hope that you had a Happy New Year as well.
Yeah, it's Chinese... Chinese what? Yeah.
Chinese New Year. But
Look it! You guys. It's Tinkerbell. Oh, it shows you how to do a little kimono.
What? What?
Wow! So it's 3 different types of paper. It shows you how to do that one. That is cool.
Comment below, guys, if you dabble in origami. That's one thing that I don't have the patience for.
I've tried it. That's the keyword, try.
Yeah.
And that's it.
So you usually get between 5 and 6 items depending on what the size and the cost. Today we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items today. 6 items. So, but guys, this makes our day. This actually makes our month. When we get this stuff.
It's exciting, and then you're like putting everything together, and then like the things that we have like already that are sets. It's just like, dang, that is so cool.
I would love to visit Michael and just know how he does this, because like
it can be stressful, I'm sure.
Yeah, and the fact that he knows what he's already sent to us.
That's true. Does he keep like a?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Like Michael, if you are watching this, comment down below how you do this, because the fact that you sent this in the last two,
and then before was Mickey and Minnie,
and then you sent the kites. I mean,
like I know he knows that I love Chippendale, and that's fantastic. I love getting Chippendale stuff, and then like he'll sprinkle, like Brian says, some Tinkerbell here and there.
Yeah. And he does, though, guys. He's great. He spends as much time as he can electronically with you, via email, to make sure that he gets everything that you like.
Definitely check out his website. We'll link it down below. Mm-hmm. Maybe we'll put it on the screen, but it's TokyoKawaiiClub.com, all one word.
Yeah.
So that is fun. Just looking at what he has, they are a little bit expensive, but they are coming from Japan. The regular shipping and expedited, like I said earlier, we do get expedited, so it's a little bit more expensive.
Right.
So we pay about $60-ish per month. But like Brian said, we are going to take a little bit of a break just to kind of cool off from it. So that way, I know we got excited already.
We do. Guys, I mean, honestly, you know, but we have a ton of stuff. Definitely, this is something that interests you. If you're a Disney freak like us.
Or you just want to get some cute stuff from Japan.
Yeah. And we are really hoping that we can go in the next year or so, go to Tokyo, Japan.
And Tokyo Disney Sea. And the Tokyo Disney Store.
And
Universal.
And Okinawa, Japan. I have a lot of dear friends in Okinawa, Japan.
Because you were stationed in Okinawa.
I do, guys.
I've never been. If you are there, or you want to meet us, or anything like that, leave a comment. Like, let us know if you guys are military. We love our military members, because Brian served in it.
I did, 9 years.
So, like, let's get that discussion going too. Like, that'd be cool to have other military members.
Anyway, guys, so if you are really interested in Tokyo Kawaii Club, please check down below in the link. he's very attentive. He's very knowledgeable what he can do for you and everything else, and he wants to make everything personalized to you.
And he tries his hardest for everything. So everything he does is greatly appreciated. We are now on Instagram, and we started our TikTok back up again. So if you would like to follow us on there, you are more than welcome to. We have a lot of behind the scenes, just some extra cool stuff, maybe pictures for you to save.
Yeah. But if you are new here, because I don't think we did it in the beginning.
Hello, hi, welcome.
We are really excited that you did click on this link. And if you do choose so, right in the bottom right-hand corner is a little subscribe button. And you can click it, subscribe, get notified whenever we do post videos, which currently is 2 times a week. And we are really excited about this year because we really have a lot of different things going on. But with that being said, thank you again for watching, and we will definitely see you guys next time. Bye.